Hi everyone, it is October 8th, 2021. Hope everyone is doing well. I made myself something very special tonight. I made this 3 months ago, and every 3 months or so I make this dish. And it's baby back ribs, pretty much. So I pretty much made baby back ribs. I went to the supermarket and got myself some baby back ribs. And I did the dry rub on it. And then after 2.5 hours, I did the wet rub. So it's just a real simple dish to make. You just got to take the silver skin off the ribs, and then you got to rub it with some sugar, some spices, and then you just got to cook it for about 2.5 hours at 250 degrees. And then you crank the oven up to about 350 degrees for about another half hour after you put on the wet sauce. I use the barbecue sauce, and I'm having it with a Bailey's. Well, actually, a Brady's over there. Brady's over there. And I'm about to sit down and eat it. So give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. And I'll link you to the recipe in case you guys want to make it for your family, your girlfriend, your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, whoever. Be well, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.